clay pot?
Yeah, back in the village.
Okay.
Yes. It's been a while.
Oh.
But we have to bring, we are trying to bring back that tradition, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know this generation, we call it Generation Z.
The generation Z doesn't know how to cook with clay pots.
Yes.
Actually, even our grandmothers used to make these pots like from scratch. You don't have to buy it.
Actually, I know to make them.
Ah,
Yes.
that's nice.
Yes, that's how we were taught while we were growing up.
That's the next thing you are supposed to teach me then.
I will.
Ah, so now we have another. I got a date with you for making a pot.
A clay pot.
Yeah, a clay pot. Something that I'd love to know how to make.
When you are with Claudia Walks, you have to learn a lot of things.
Learn a lot of things. And also you have to take me to Jamaica.
Soon I'm gonna take you to Jamaica.
Yeah.
The sun is too hot, but guys, you have to bear with us.
Yeah,
We are outside having fun.
we have to prepare this.
We had to do this. Actually, I'm practicing, because once I go to Jamaica, you know, I'll be like preparing Jamaican meal. Yes. So I just want to.
You need to go and visit Jamaican villages and see how they do their traditional food.
Yes. Oh my God.
And Claudia, another interesting thing.
Yes.
Tell me about Jamaican men. How are they? Tell me about Jamaican men.
Okay, the way I've interacted with Sam. Oh my God, guys, they are nice.
They're nice.
They are nice. They are nice people. They are so loving. They are so supportive. Actually, no, guys, if I say they are loving, don't take me the other way around, you know. Yeah.
Okay.
So they are good.
So
they
they
are
are
good.
husband materials. An African girl who wants to go to Jamaica can get an husband.
Maybe they tell us there.
Yeah, we need to know. We need to
Tell
know.
us there. Tell us there, guys.
We are following the comments. I need to know how Jamaican men are. I want to know if maybe one time I found myself in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Can I get a husband?
So, but the ones I've interacted with, they are content creators actually.
Okay.
So, I don't know.
You don't know.
Yeah, but I think they are.
They will
good.
tell us.
They will tell us.
I'm sure you are in comments, like comment section. We need to know. I
Yeah.
need to know how Jamaican men are.
Yeah. On your side, how do you think? Maybe you have heard about them. How do you think they are?
Yeah. Actually, do I really know? Do I really know about Jamaican men?
Tell us. Maybe you have interacted with one.
I've never interacted with a Jamaican one, or just, but I think they are good men. I think they are good men. They are really supporting you. I always see I always watch your videos. I know how the support they are giving you. They truly love you, so that's a good implication that they can be really good men.
So maybe if you're watching from Jamaica, you're a man, and yes, you think you are. Comment down below.
I don't know. If you are an husband material, don't call a spade a spade.
Yes.
Yeah, if you are an husband material, leave a comment. Let's see if these African girls can get husbands from Jamaica.
Yes. We want to go to the other side. Remember, we are brothers and sisters, so we want to learn more about you guys as you learn more about Africa too.
You know one thing about Claudia? I've learned that actually when I was young, I thought Jamaica is in Africa. Don't laugh at me.
Actually, it's not you alone. Most of people think that Jamaica is in Africa.
Okay.
Yeah. But Jamaica is in Caribbean island.
Okay.
Yes.
But they are cousins.
They are
from other mothers.
Yes, they are cousins, they are brothers, they are sisters.
Ah.
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, most of them, they are trying to trace their roots.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and I can't wait to meet you all here. Maybe you might meet me before I meet you in Jamaica.
Yeah.
More fire!
More fire!
More fire, more fire.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Hey! This is the beauty, guys. This is the beauty of cooking outside in the bushes, actually.
Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica.
Jamaica, hold through. Yes.
So we are trying to season it, eh?
With the salt. Oh my God! This is oregano. And we have black pepper. So what we are going to do now, we are going to add our
Pumpkin.
pumpkin.
Remember, we are cooking pumpkin rice, eh? Beautiful village girls, eh?
Doing their thing.
Doing their thing. This is what we love most, actually. Then after that, we are going to add our
Beans.
beans.
Can you imagine the beans are still cooking?
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, there's one like they are boiling.
They are boiling.
Yeah. So what we are going to do is adding some beans. We are not going to use all of them. Just using enough. I think that's enough. So now let me just wash my rice. This is 500 grams and it's the long grain, like you can see it's the long grain.
The best rice.
Yeah, the best rice in Africa. It's basmati.
And we are not trying to promote them, guys.
We are just loyal clients.
Yes.
Yeah.
They have not paid us to promote.
Just make sure, I'm just making sure the rice is super clean. So I'm going to wash it around 3 times. I have to make sure this Jamaican girl
It's well fed.
yes, well fed with Jamaican meal. And guys, let us know if we are doing it the right way or we need to adjust maybe for next time.
Yeah.
For today we are just doing it.
For the first time, actually, and I think we are trying.
Yeah, we are trying. To be honest, I've never tasted pumpkin rice. Yeah, this is my first time. But I wanted to surprise you with.
So we have to put there.
We are putting the rice. Just give it a mix.
Wow, it looks so good.
Yeah, looks good.
Wow.
Then we are going to add enough water.
And guys, we have to test if it has salt, traditional way.
Yeah, so that you can adjust if
We can add a bit of salt. Do we have to add the more beans? So
no.
that's enough.
That's enough. Yeah.
Okay. Hey, natural sound. My God. Oh. So after that, we have to
Cover it.
cover it.
Then give it like 10 minutes and we'll be back.
Okay.
And don't talk.
Now our rice is ready, so it's ready to serve.
The adventure has been really nice.
Amazing.
I loved it.
More
So
plates.
we have more plates.
Yes,
Nice,
we have
nice.
more plates around. And it's a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot. Jamaican rice.
Let us know if guys, let us know if we have used the right way to prepare it. We are just trying. It's our first time actually.
Yeah.
And you can see the environment we are cooking from. Actually, we have tried. We have tried, kindly subscribe. If you like this video, kindly subscribe. Take Claudia Walks to 10,000 subscribers. Take Vivian to 1,000 subscribers.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, yummy.
Oh, it's yummy. I think we should relocate to Jamaica, right?
Sure.
Oh my God, it's really good.
If they are enjoying this food, then we are going to Jamaica.
Very soon.
Again, what did you call it? Pumpkin rice.
Pumpkin
Pumpkin
rice.
Pumpkin
yeah,
rice.
Yeah. We
Awesome.
need to know whether we've done it right.
That's
If
what
there's
one.
something that we should add next time, please tell us.
They should
Yes.
leave their comments on the comment section.
That is it. Pumpkin.
Pumpkin rice.
And you can see we have a Jamaican flag over here.
Yes. Representing to the fullest.
Yeah.
Big up Jamaica. Big up.
We are going.
Big up. Big up. Yo.
Yummy.
So that's more like it. Behind the camera, John Wombo TV. Kindly subscribe.
Bye.
One love.